So around the edge of my cardigan, I like to do this black and white, well, one row white, one row black rib stitching. I'm just going to pop in a little clip of another video next, so it's going to be in different colours, so it's easier to see how I've done it here, because it's with me using the black, it's hard to see what I've done. So to do the ribbon, I thought I would do it in a different colour. So the ribbon's going to come up both sides of the front of your cardigan and across the neck. And this is the black yarn. But I thought if we kept on doing it in black, there's no way you can see what I'm doing. So this is the black. We're coming to the edge of all of your squares and the border. And we're joining on our white yarn. This would be white, I should have just used white. And we're going to be single crochet in every stitch going around. No, I'm not. We're going to double crochet in every stitch going around. So we'll work that all the way up the sides and across the top round the neck and the other side. You would be putting buttonholes, maybe if you wanted to have buttons on your cardigan, this would be the time you would add your buttonholes. So we've transitioned from the granny stitch into the double crochet stitch, and we're pretending that we're in black and white for our, it looks like a checkered effect. So we pretend we went all the way around with our double crochet, and we're coming back in with the black again. Black is the new orange, or orange is the new black. And then we're going to start off with a chain 3. So that'll be your first one, and then we're going to do a front post and back post, and this is the reason why I've done them in different colours, so you can see what I'm doing. So the front post is a double crochet. Is you start your double crochet, and instead of going into the top or in your spaces, you're going to come around the back of that stitch and making it, this is your post. So that's your, these double crochet stems are all going to be your posts, so they're going to be a post, not a stem, a post. So we're going to yarn over, but we're going to come from the back round and up again, and finish off your double crochet. Then we're going to yarn over and front post, so that's coming round to the front. Yarn over, and then we're going to go around the back. I'm trying to twist it so that you can see what I'm doing, but the best way is to actually set up a little bit of sample like this and just do it and see what you think. And I think it's perfect for doing the ribs on your hexagon cardigans. So that's into the front post, and then going round the back into the back post. Oh, we're going blurry there. So these are your posts. So that's coming round to your front, and then from your back post is actually starting at the back and going round the back. So you come round the back, over the front, grab your yarn. So your front post is yarn over and round the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go around the back, over the front, and then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over around the front post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over around the back, so it alternates. So you've got 1 forward, 1 back, 1 forward, and then 1 to the back. One forward and 1 to the back. It is a little bit fiddly, but once you get the hang of it, you just make sure that you're doing it correctly. So go all the way to the end. We're doing the back. The front. And the back. So if you want to practice, just do maybe 2 or 3 rows of double crochet first, and it gives you something to hold on to. I just done the granny stitch because the side of my cardigan is a granny stitch. And as you come to the end, you'll have 1 more, so I'm going to do the last one around the edge. It'll just go into the very top corner and double crochet, and then it brings it up to the same line. And I will change the colour. So we'll just add on to our blue, aka white, and you can start to see now where the stitches are, because we've changed colour. If I was doing it all in the same colour, you would it wouldn't stand out as much as this. So I'm just going to join on, because we are only doing a sample. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I just wanted to show you the next row. So the row 3, the first one will be our first post, and then the next one is a front post. So we're going to carry on the same, we're not going to opposite, we'll have to go in the same front post. So it's yarn over and into the front post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Then the back post, yarn over round the back. And as you go, I find that it gets easier because the posts are standing out to you. So now you know that's the post because it's closest to you for your front post. So round the back, up to the front, and then these around the front to the back. So it's your front post, double crochet, yarn over, and then your back post, double crochet. I hope that helps. I really hope it makes sense. And that's how I do the front post and back post double crochets for my ribbon. For my hexagon cardigan. So I've crocheted the rib round the neck and the front